Well, it's 25 years of partnering with KPMG for the Squash League. And we wanted to do something obviously different for the 25th year. It didn't, 25 years didn't warrant same old, same old. So, we wanted to come up with a band where everything looks different. It looks interesting. And I think it embodies the relationship between us and KPMG. It's about being unique, being innovative, being different over the years.
And the players, they're exciting and ready to go?
Oh, they're excited. I mean, we have so many people who are looking forward to starting. Everybody was like, are we starting tonight? Are we starting? No, we're not. We're focusing on the launch because it's so important. With 25 years, we must celebrate it. And so we're starting next week, Tuesday, on the 25th of February, and everybody's rearing to go.
KPMG, 25 years. We're delighted to be a part of Jamaica Sport League. We've grown with this sport in Jamaica for such a long time. It's just really a marvelous relationship. We appreciate the impact that we've been having on the sport that has been able to contribute to its growth and its development. We're excited when we joined 25 years ago. Knows where we would have gotten. So we're really very proud of the growth that has taken place in the sport and just in Jamaica. These young players have grown to be very, very competitive ones, and they've really represented themselves well and represented the country well. And they have started right here with KPMG Jamaica Sport.
Tell me, why did KPMG choose squash? Because, there's so many sports in Jamaica, right?
You found something that you love, you fall in love on day one, and you just stay in that relationship. Because there were members of the KPMG team who were playing squash, and they brought us together. And we really enjoyed that marriage that took place, and we're really happy to continue to be in that.